Hey everyone, QUEERVEE here. So I just recorded a wonderful video and unfortunately my mic was not on for the whole time, and it's a video where I am unboxing something, and so you really need to see my reactions for that. So unfortunately, even though my mic is not recorded, I'm going to show you that footage in an attempt to voice over. Not gonna match my mouth perfectly, but gonna attempt to walk you through what I was saying. I'm so sorry. I can't believe that I messed this up, especially because you do not deserve this, Jill, the person who has sent me these gifts. But anyways, I'm sorry. I can't redo the video because I already opened the box. Anyways, I digress. Here we go. Thank you so much. Alright, QUEERVEE here, ready for something exciting. I got this Amazon box in the mail today. I have no idea where this came from. I did not order anything from Amazon, so I'm like, is this real life? Did somebody send me another gift? I don't know if this is really happening, but I better open it and find out. And I'm very touched. I can't believe this is happening. I don't remember what I was saying here. I'm sorry. I was like flipping out, probably really excited about this box of Amazon goodies. And there's a box within a box. Thank you, Amazon. And oh my gosh, these metallic paint markers. They're so cool. I'm super into metallic paint lately. It's been really my jam, especially since getting these golden metallic paints. So I'm really excited to use these paint markers and see what I can do with them. So exciting. Oh, and there is a note, and let me read that. It says, "Hi V, your videos are so full of joy. This old lady wants to add a bit more joy to your day. Keep being you. You're amazing. Love from Canada, Jill." Oh my gosh, like, thank you so much, Jill. I can't even begin to thank you with my words because they're not enough. And just so excited that this is happening, and I'm very touched. I can't believe there's another box, and there's another gift, and I'm so excited that I'm shaking. I can't open the box well. I'm already an anxious person, and I'm already shaky all the time. Add excitedness, and it's like can't get anything done. And oh my gosh! All right, so this might not be a typical art supply that you would think of. It's like Crayola markers, not for professional artists, but actually these come highly recommended for bullet journals. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube use them, and it seems like you can actually kind of get some like brush lettering with them and some fun stuff with that. Also, there's 100 colors. There's so many markers. I can use them for other things like coloring and fun stuff like that. Just so many colors. 100 colors! And I'm like a child, very excited about these markers. Like, I don't think I've ever owned like 100 markers in my hand. And they also came with these wedge markers, which are pretty unique. They have like an interesting kind of chisel tip there. So those will be pretty fun to work with too. I'm very excited about these products. I'm still wigging out about how there's 100 colors. Like, I can't get over that, They're so good. I'm very excited about all these products, and I'm extremely thankful. I love Jill from Canada very much. I can't believe that people support me and are sending me gifts, and is this real life? Is this happening? Like, what? I can't believe it. I just, oh man, I'm so touched. I'm like, I was about to cry for like most of this video, and I'm so thankful for all the support that people have been giving me, and you know, I can't believe that you're sending me these gifts. Like, you know, I don't always have the means to buy all the art supplies that I would like to for myself, so I was super appreciative. It just means so much. I cannot explain in words how much it means to me. And I can't believe it that I've given so much support and so much love. I've been having such a good day. This did bring so much joy to my day, and I can't believe I'm so blessed. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox that. I love you guys so much. Thank you all my supporters. Thank you everybody. You know, I so appreciate it. And I hope you guys are having a good day and good night, because I certainly am. Bye!